How to get Temu coupons. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Temu coupons, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to get coupons on Temu, such as let's say you want to go ahead and then basically get some discounts, but for that you need a coupon code. So how do you get Temu coupons? Well, to get Temu coupons it's actually quite simple. There isn't a generic thing, but Temu most likely will always give you a pop-up whenever there's any sort of coupon codes available. So over here you can see for today they give 90% off coupons. If you just keep swiping on the banners, you'll be able to find all those. Another thing over here is to always simply pay attention to promotional text and promotional emails, because in that text and emails also Temu is actually going to give you a coupon code which you can use to apply, hopefully to get some discounts as well. Otherwise, when you come to the home tab and then you just come over here, you should be able to see coupons and offers. You should be able to see all the coupons that are basically available over here as well. This way you'll be able to get Temu coupons. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.